How to see the dislikes on YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can see the dislikes on YouTube. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can see it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to see the dislikes on YouTube, these are the methods that you need to follow. So open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your Chrome browser, just head over to the three dot at the top right and head over to the extension section. Just go to manage extensions, where you should be able to see all of the extensions that you have added on your Chrome browser. So here we're going to add a new extension. Just go to your Chrome Web Store. After going to your Chrome Web Store, you should be able to see the search bar. Just go to the search bar and type in return YouTube dislike. Just type in that and select this extension, the very first that appears on the screen. Just tap on it, add to Chrome. You can see that add to Chrome option. Just tap on add to Chrome and a pop-up will appear. Just tap on add extension. After that, wait for the extension to be downloaded. After the extension is downloaded, just cross out others and you're just going to head over to a new tab where you're going to open YouTube. Just type in youtube.com and open YouTube. After that, you're just going to click on the video that you want to see the dislike for. After clicking on it, just pin this extension first of all. After that, when you refresh your YouTube after you play a video, you should be able to see the dislikes, the amount of dislikes in that video. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to do it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.